This is Bima Ubibia Aquaba Hadia latest and hot news and I'm the Bremo MT Sawinian subscriber ya. Obadia say over subscribe to the channel. Yobayan say over click the subscribe button. Now what belly notification no. We understand new video be upload when the first person I was abeka ASR video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Sheba Ato Forson when you be here now and summer also a Ghana name harum. Afi Yangura and summer Abetoya Ponoso. Iti a yes are reporting Sansabi Kosi. Iti summer
NPP akache NPP amanyoko wamune wa bambu say nanu ne si parliament NPP NDC for na say osha eye mrasebe for nkonwa nan ya say Yamma MP for no enkwatena enchen free say one more party ade omo ba power wo ma free so omo ko independent no and I'm so my na kwaya kasakasa we mo say me na manya numbers bebre nti NDC for na MPP for so say ye na majority nti ye ntiase ai nam so ama ya to parliament mu no and I'm so my MPP for kwaya press conference ama kasama for the NPP amanyoko Richard Ahiagba no chire mo say NDC use sa tactics no Edia we near about 2024. Send a bear or mobile a majority and now Ghana for say oh so simple the NDC na majority and yes send the woman we near Banawiti and Coco na Yankotwaba and Farmer was sada a tro na a woman crater be say a year winning the 2024 elections and beyond a comprehensive NDC strategy na san money in a woman say one bakwa speaker chi no ma chacha near maybe send a bear Ghana for Adrian Baba NDC so eti ekweti Richard Ahiagba se no sika na nsem no yewia ya bakwa ndisi akache na bi so mo se nsem we wo mo edwen ho se na krata na no kra na Richard Ahiagba manyetie no
consists of 11 chapters each directing the NDC on various disruptive, unfair and outright crude tactics to aid its capturing of power in 2024. The secret document goes beyond the ordinary strategy or action plan you would expect a political party to operate with. This secret document is a deliberate ploy by the NDC to hoodwink Ghanaians. In other words, to dupe Ghanaians of their votes. From what we have read in the document, the NDC had a plan right from January 8, 2021 to frustrate the government and make it unpopular through foul means to win power December 7, 2024. One would think that any political opposition party would do same. Indeed, that is not problematic if those plans are legitimate and in the nation's best interest.
NPP amanyoko osuna amanyoko one kasa Aremeyaw Akogan Deputy National Communication Officer Edema NDC amanyoko na senkita ode bo fotene de ma NDC edu amanyoko no wono na ebedetire Akogan wotemen kan mema aha ema kwa ba de ba election powerhouse power 97.9 TV XYZ ne edi kan minim say what Richard Ahiagba nsema a wo kan wo kire mu se mo krata bia ya maturi the winning the 2024 elections and beyond the comprehensive NDC strategy enu bi na mode akọ parliament a wo se mo fa kwa bone so e de adada Ghana for krata bi sa e wo ho
TNT madam Asenimada power FM phone nyina ase banka krata bi wo ho a TNT mi di se anka NDC anka eye ade aye bi bi adwuma pa but press conference Richard Ahiagba you know a pastor say Omwankasa Agyarko mu say 2024 elections you know almost because the Ujina Bontre Eka say idea we no NDC for electoral 2021 not 2021 well ya implemented 2022 well ya implemented 2023 well ya implemented 2024 well no ya so I implemented after 2 months I have beto abano after na ojina bonten say well document no and the next said yes say implementing na ya implement we Into one person will say, some will lose election. That's a document view of her a year NDC for year issue. But Obi also saw or your Bajeneba. Our better press conference, even who said they let's say NPP for Nankasa on Bedi no not Omadrimu Hakakra.
Sakrata ya ukamwasemi ye ahiagbaye kamwasemi yahudu social media ya tro title no na ya tro bie wo mu ase bie sisi ni ade eti omo na tro na se office ho amo na tro sakrata no
me say omo no omo tro krata no because of a Japanese document a Bible on Trinity na se so omo tro bibi extra say and this is no aye bibia sebe anka ebro adwene entiase so na so na ka say every political party ya form no ya form say ya be power ya the power no asumo man Ghana na all ka say that document ni mo no ya sure say NDC for dia to mo say 2020 elections no NPP every year bonidia ni hono Omo kasa omo Kennedy Agyapong no say 2020 elections so onim kwanya NPP fast win ye na enye win papa into the mu NPP kwa mu nim say electoral commission ewie mu ma mu 2020 na yen NDC never try to talk that say ye nim say ye lusu ya na say bia etisa ohulumpo ama hu say Krata na kasa a figment of their own imagination. It's one kasa na aircraft to be. Okay.
Gan. It's office a date na here Babaya press conference na wakasa same way.
Reporter Abba Abontini na Ato Barometer report. National security report. A friend is saying other state based yaye nina ex-refer 2024 elections, as we speak, NDC winning abano ama yasanso na majority in power. In fact, round paye ko nyina ne say, ye bomb price Ghana for beti ya say, na yetumi enya to test majority in parliament. Senebeya enye bi ya Supreme Court for any enkofo bi sori keke eye no. Ye betumi enya to test majority. Na yetumi asesa your constitution no na yenya constitutional ebe so clear say Supreme Court judge bi and High Court judge bi ntumi sorry actually enkeka sabe ne boswa sembi entre Ghana for eno wa probo na ye volunteer yo six bi wo ho anka ye wini da ye pese ye wini sabe prayer as Asante region our maximum has been 5 constituencies. But this time round, we are hoping to get 16 seats in our Asante region. So there are a lot of things that we are looking at, like Eastern region. We are hoping to get 15 other, your friend is saying, a total of 15 seats. Yeko Akoko Chimpe for Eastern region. So, and before any winning, as I say, Omo people, Omo Niwo. Lawyer be a wakasa after Supreme Court ruling in Ubia Akafe. Supreme Court judges no anyadie. MPP lawyers at Penifoni ofra omo don be catch us say on this ruling no yen to me and can want them yen say ye be committee ho na ye dey ye pedigree akwakoto abonte to be sure asa ruling we buy no enkwada no na kasa e wo but lawyers an kasa dey omo nke bi e ma wo no.
Okay.
It's to save their disgrace, no? Omo pese omo hide behind them.
Okay.
Na say ampeniampa di nuani ampanti no. Say o share friend say ruling na eba ye ni de omo ye no mean say NDC for catch no na so ya trouble cast as say ye be use parliament and na e dey defeat mo. Adentina ka mo nyina wo tampenia pa asa mo document bi na say document wo e real adentina ka mo nyina ho am make sure say you to be in renimo e wo parliament na mo dwane ye because of ya ka say mo say na na ruda ko fa do pra ebuafu say Afenyo wo ye nkwadasem adenti na ye pay loan akwakoji na what my can say parliament no it is going semi day you can say semi day and next you kum parliament no on to say bibi ebenya no most of the more signature I ever call for parliament no next say mo for press conference we near who say mo wu it is that mu adie we 2021 na mu hu ye no what beautiful and who say next say and you are playing to the team of the NDC and
Gan, me say Ghana for seminar see primary premier nya ye betra se na ya baba sansem no bai da se ene mra wanya dia maye deputy committee Mate Deputy National Communication Officer Edema NDC Amanyoko Godwin Akogan and out there in Kanwa train sem no mo se na CTA
particularly His Excellency the President, who started politics at a very early age because of his parenthood, and who was an activist in the CPP party, grew up to be the president of Kwame Nkrumah Youth Forum, and after the 1966 election, joined the United Party, Progress Party, now NPP, to come out after all that experience, a legal luminary, to say such a thing, that is inciting people to violence.
Okay.
That even if we lost the election, we will not hand over. We will do all we can to hold on to power. That is unacceptable. I was really shocked to hear that, because His Excellency the President knows that the power he's holding is not his. It's for the people, particularly the voters. And the people voted and gave him that power. Once they vote you out, he even is ending his 8 years period. At the 6th of January 2025, His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo Addo has no such power. He knows that if he orders the CDS on the 7th of January 1995 to do anything, he will not do it.
My understanding of what you're saying, really...
He has no such power, so it's just an empty boast. Brutum fulmin. He cannot. He will not have that power. It's the person that the people have now voted for that have been given the power. And though the people looking at that person, not him. So either is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or His Excellency Dr.
Mahamadu Bawumia.
Mahamadu Bawumia.
You do not think that...
those are the people that will have power, and those are the people that Ghanaians will now be listening to, not to him. So he has nothing, not even an empty shell. What we do is just a ceremony to show that power has now shifted from the former to the newly elected person.
You do not think that those comments were deep expressions of, I really wish that Bawumia would take over the reins of power from me?
You just said it. What prevented him from using that same language? It's my wish that NPP should win the elections and Bawumia will take over from me. But if you go and say categorically, I will not hand over power, as if the power is still in your hands. But by that time, it's not in his hands.
You just gave his history there, where he started from before he even became president.
Yeah.
Would you say that that comment was irresponsible, and he's repeated it?
Well, His Excellency knows better. You know, in mature democracies, they will take actions more than what we will do. That would have soiled all his records as a politician, you know, and all those descriptions people make of him in terms of law and the defense of human rights or the media, and also his record as a president. This cancels out all. It doesn't show that he's a Democrat and that he believes in multi-party democracy.
If I hear what you're saying, you were disappointed when you heard that.
Very In fact, I was shocked. Was at least expected His Excellency to say such a thing.
But in addition to that, you just brought to the fore again a statement made by Brian Agyapong, and he's repeated it. He's a member of parliament, a parliament you oversee. Have you done anything about it? How do you see that, first of all?
Brian Agyapong is scarcely in parliament. You see, that is another thing that we have to do. You see, political leadership is a different ball game. You just don't trust untried and untested hands straight from birth into leadership position.
How do you mean?
They have to be groomed. They have to be tutored. They have to be mentored. They have to grow to it. They must have hands-on experience. And so the system we are running is a system that is damaging the growth of this country.
Brian doesn't have the experience.
Where? In politics? Zero. He just elected as a member of parliament and is made a cabinet minister. He has no knowledge about the public sector, about governance, about politics, and he is now going to lead the whole sector. He has never handled such power before, and therefore they think that they are the alpha and the omega.
So you think that's what's influencing how he's behaving?
Not only him, a number of our people in politics now. You know, as they grow, they will learn that what they did were wrong. And they were really undermining their own authority and relevance.
Won't it be too late?
Very late. And that's one of the causes of our underdevelopment. Many countries, many countries who have made it have taken the time to evolve. And the evolution is not only about systems, it's also about human beings. And so we just don't take those decisions lightly. That you're given the opportunity to lead the country. If you want to bring up, definitely there's growth, there's replacement. We must always go with the youth. We must go with everybody. But you give them the position to grow. Okay? Once you keep on just cutting corners and doing what is happening now, we can never develop as a nation.
We can never develop as a nation, you say. We're talking about inflammatory comments and language ahead of this year's general election. And I know that you also heard the bit said by the former president, John Mahama, who is leading the opposition NDC, when he said, and he said it a number of times as well, that we will make sure that this election is not stolen, and this time we are not going to court. How did you understand this comment?
The first part deals with vigilance and ensuring that the right thing is done. That this time around, what happened in 2020, where brute force was used at some stations to take away the decision of the people, we will not allow that to happen again. Which meant that there's a loss of trust in the process and in the Electoral Commission. And so if the Electoral Commission is not going to take up the mantle together with the other stakeholders, particularly the security agencies led by the Ghana Police Service. And note, it is not Ghana Police Force. It is Ghana Police Service. And they are to deal with the maintenance of law and order. And you don't just maintain law and order by force. No, that is not it. But unfortunately, that is where we are. And they are the key institution to maintain law and order. The military has no business, when we are doing elections, to be present until law and order breaks down and they are called in.
So you want them to stay off?
Completely. I have stated it a number of times that we would not want to see our military moving around. They have to be at positions that they could be called to intervene when the need arises.
But already you know that the military have been deployed. I mean, officials have been deployed to border towns to enforce even this ban on exportation of the country's grains because of the drought in 7 regions of the country.
That is catastrophic and a complete exaggeration of the situation, just to create a platform to go in for a facility. And who knows how that facility will be applied. That is my honest view.
What do you mean by facility?
A credit facility in terms of money or in terms of food items. Is that kind of thing?
The NDC thinks it's an attempt to intimidate voters around that place.
You see, people really don't understand the situation we are in. The Ghanaian voter can no longer be intimidated. We saw what happened in Kenya. We saw what happened in Nigeria. Ghana is not immune to it. I was a young man in Legon during the regime of President General Boakye Agyarko. And that was the time they brought in the MOWACs to support the police. They were blue in color. We faced the MOWACs with our bodies, not even with sticks, empty hands. Some of us were killed, but we fought and managed to turn this country to democratic Ghana. The people are not afraid of the military. How many are they in this country? How many are the people? How many bullets do they have? How many were they killed? How many of them will survive? We've seen it before from country to country. So if there's any intention of using the military to threaten and intimidate the voter, they better think twice.
Lawyer now come
Yes. Now they come because no market say, and I see you who kakra say Akufo Addo. He's been a lawyer for more than 3 decades. After that time, so the otchere say lawyer ni, and now otchere say your mama on your lawyer. Now what you cause say and a lawyer no be ma say your mama. Naturally no. Now lawyer ka ba ho some so me a lawyer. Yes na. We show training. They be our court. Research. Asana wako court. Ban say and you pay your answer saying your mama. It's not 2016 metro man. I say ya to man na hwede waye nyansa Debbie but they are bomb oni amambu akade what an abysmal performance Mahama Kronya lawyer we chow head ya corruption perception index Mahama Akufo Addo 7 years straight 7-0. Listen, Mahama the lowest mark 2016 was 43 on the corruption perception index. You catch the corruption perception index yes, and na ya to say, share the AC capacity and a fasa method no so. It is our methodology no more year. Mahama the lowest mark 2016 43. Now let me say, I'm sure they will need to make any TFO being swinging by okay, so I'm repeating. Akufo Addo buy the highest mark so far for the past 4 years. I have 43. Mahama lowest, no. It's not just Akufo Addo. Now, Mambu, I'm not so essay Mahama. Mahama the lowest mark 43. And then Akufo Addo the highest mark. Akufo Addo buy a first year, which are 40. From 43, no, or the other no from 40. That was 2017. Then 2018, and now on mass 1 mark, about 41. Then 2019, or about 41 repeat. Then from 2020, a bit in there, what 43 I just want to mean Mama 7-0. About press freedom. Apart from 2018 now, Akufo Addo, they call the World Press Freedom celebration. Mahama try Akufo Addo. Oba democracy max na Mahama yesin Akufo Addo. Oba economy Mahama yesin Akufo Addo. Akufo Addo 40 years now we say he's been preparing for 40 years to be president. And on there, hey, any anka one prepared here, any anka say anka Ghana shit. Any pa bon say, o man penyi bon nyema be pre nkoye no atwinani nyema be pre nkoye no atwinani ofisi on na stop on card. So we say ni din asɛ no. Ni din asɛ no ne ofiri akunya no so a why oba bibi obi akra mfi no me ofiri akunya no so a me huna on kasi your excellency on konkɔhwɛ ne sɛ wutia no me say nipa yɛ sunsun me papa yi asif sɛ nim sɛ ɔde ebe kɔpɔni Also, okay, naturally, my call 2 times. Na ni nyina no me presidency ho na ye koye death penalty say ye ne ye di enim na o share ye boss of ye wa anye na nyame ye adom na ye susu bedi MP na susu okay nti ye ko the presidency ye wie no na bibia mba mu say o wo manpanyi kokkochia no ebi ye wie mfonyi kro mu twa na makogina ekire unhu mfonyi because my spirit even physically no me timi say papa yi dey bi. Oh, no man pinning power in to table 3 meters apart. Ye kasa no me presentation say you try death penalty say me na me di amnesty na enya slot say omuma me chirechire mo say me na me kasa amnesty say yen fa kwan na susu e ma ye di try death penalty mu no me na me di chira amnesty. Long story short and omo kwan na ye omo si enku ho man pinning ti me na me presentation bibia no so mo before then no. That was my second time of coming. Answer I met Casano. Okay, I say I branch here. Mati unko. So that time no na mama me home minister amasha pe kasa kakra say nkuyi but na improve in their levels no. So long story short, you no man ko chia no baby I wasn't moved because we say human beings we are spirit. Who boni ya you are not tight say o person o ko chia o man penin say o person oni ni twamfoni man nyebi. That was the second time. That was just on the dawn of just before COVID, before then, about 2 years or a year earlier, me another thing, domestic violence. Me na me day you call court say the man I you pray from you know abiding your fund na your fan show so say be man ye or bana ya at least there should be a shelter. We bet me free fee akoda ho. Kopim se bema na kuma bejujo ene ne ekeka ebisi ne omanye nti o manpenye Akufo Addo de bia disem ne disika be breme busiafo se bond de ye bobusia na Ofori Atta company data bank enya ne chefa nti Akufo Addo de ni onima ne se ne disika be breme busiafo no eno na obesom o di bibi ko se ye nye na oman nkonkan domestic violence fund cancel death penalty, you see, so me what the point I'm making say I've met him physically twice. Me no Bibia push me say Koko Chioma Pinin Samu, me Danyamia Sipa, that's a spiritual artist ni papa onya papa. Nyankopon so ka ho adi ya bompaye saa ye kasi e bi yo manpanyi amosi yanko asore yanko bompaye hwe nipa yekuyi no nti o say about 2 weeks ago otabil finally ojitu mu say ama friend say elections yi Nyankopon say nim because we hwe Akufo Addo pa na Kristo timi ka trem say nyame na yi Akufo Addo enye yi e say it's just human beings. Nyankopon nsa ni Akufo Addo amambo yi. Aka ye mrese. Nsa ni Akufo Addo nye nipa. That's nonsense.
Wow. Lawyer, Adana speaker man ruling no ade che ye bonkomo. Anche na Supreme Court so de one there e de be boom. Wadaroma ene parliament kotnase. We expectations na say then a Bagbin ye, then I'm Rashabi Momonia.
Listen, they should negotiate, say, Supreme Court ruling, no. Say the AC no. They should negotiate, say, Omunko court, na Omunko trap sa ruling, because our ruling is there near Mamu, a poop rapper. How? Supreme Court needs to me, no. What mean, yes, sir? Okay, kind Article 97, and yet play. Even a man for man called law school kurano, okay, can I obey here? Nti we dia man yourself na Supreme Court yeah. So me I think say almost Cotnasia, they should negotiate, say, listen, the Supreme Court yeah and camera into a month sanko. I'm cast on better consider Omuni Makwa on Befaso and then yet a month sanko. No one could trust Supreme Court ruling now Omono as in Penufuno or Montanasi. Now they should negotiate something. But our ruling is here. Omunko chum Afenyo Markins so not the choir near to Omunye. They were choir on the first way, say other way. Okay. And now number 2. Obi our catcher said Supreme Court ruling be I was see additional bois. Why Supreme Court bear order ama or no. utimi ejitu mu say okay adiwe emu say menya order ya di amame nso ni men friend so men penny e mame no say you can compromise it court ni say bamumi enu no obetimi afale nkrata address say oh adiwe okay yes say member magic influence them but me am say so let me explain it to you this way. They say Captain only Godwin if you are Godwin the worker $10 million what court waiting kunim court say ko jiusika $10 million now court ka say ko jiusika $10 million now you are quite be real be fast so ko jiusika no long and short no who bet me aka say e omu say court say me jiusika no but sika ne me amedia onye hwe Godwin we am a producer minua no into the enye hwe me nje ya yentina say right okay we dey am 500,000 which calculate we dey fani nyina. So my point is that they can negotiate something. They should negotiate something. But ruling the part they say, and not answer you straight in the adult. Because oh yes, Anna, let's just say you are encouraging the piano or Mampini Biaba. No, I found in Croft Acting Supreme Court. So I can basically now who is trying to cover on my orders. No, mama orders. Speaker, original painting, they should negotiate because that the end mean for us. So, okay, you say, who teach law, you papa, I can say that's democracy. We are learning in an law, papa.
Yo, waiting for waiting and someone abeto yabuno because this is so and our head no. So we can subscribe. We have say we will subscribe to the channel. Sanse hadia. Latest and hot news and Quara de Bremo. I feel you are now like the video and give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for so now. Will you be here now? And somewhere also I will get a memoir. Also, bet me at share what we have fire and some way now. I will comment boxing Mubete Minkabu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.